Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make your video show up on TikTok's For You page. Just follow these 6 tried and tested tips to land your video on the For You page. TikTok For You page is an endless reel of curated content that TikTok's algorithm think you'll be interested in. So my first tip is to post at peak time. In order to ride the wave of TikTok's algorithm, find out when most of your audience are online. You can find this by having a pro account. Once you have this, go into your creator settings and then analytics, and then tapping on followers tab to see your follower activity. Scroll down and here you'll see when your followers are online the most. The second tip is to use effective hashtags. As you scroll through the For You page, you'll see that most videos have hashtags in their description. This is because using hashtags is one of the most effective ways to increase your reach on TikTok. In the search, type in your topic which is relevant to your video, then tap on the hashtag tab. This will show you all the best hashtags to use depending on the views. The third tip is to hop on trends as soon as possible. Trends quickly come and go on TikTok, and thanks to their viral nature, they make up some of its most popular content. The For You page is populated with videos of creators trying out the latest trends, some of which incorporates a song or a video effect. You can see what's popular on the app's sound page and use it as a springboard for creating content with your own take on the trend. So you can see what's popular on the app's Explorer page and use it as a springboard for creating content with your own take on the trend. The fourth tip is to be creative in your niche. TikTok is filled with lip syncing and viral dances videos. In order to stand out from the crowd, think outside the box. Be different, focus on creating fun, creative content that is relevant to your topic. When you do this, your content will come off as more authentic, which is important to TikTok and becomes more easier to classify, which helps the algorithm decide which users to share your video with. The fifth tip is to experiment with the video length. A popular theory is that shorter videos have a high success rate of it being successful on TikTok. If you're creating long videos like 1 to 3 minutes, next time try to condense your content into 30 seconds video and see if that works. And the last tip is to collaborate with other TikTok creators. Collaborating with other TikTok creators is a great way to cross-promote your account and reach new audiences. Plus, if the creator you work with frequently appears on the For You page, you are likely to benefit from their viral reach. You can do this by including them in your video, or you can even add their tag onto your video. So by following these 6 tips, you'll increase your chances of reaching the TikTok's For You page, which is the best way to grow your following on TikTok. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.